Welcome to the Atosa Trademark Cooking Series. Today I'm going to show you how to proof and bake in the combi and how we can program the combi to produce perfect results. Combis can bake numerous food products from cookies, pies, breads, and cakes. The list goes on. Think of a combi as a convection oven with humidity control, giving you the opportunity to increase the quality of the food product being baked. Baking with humidity bakes the food faster while maintaining its moisture and supplies a brown and crisp exterior. In this video, I'll be preparing fresh bread. The bread will be prepared in a multiple stage program recipe. First, the bread will be proofed and then baked in one continuous process. When completed, the bread will be light and fluffy, a nice brown color, and a light crunch to the crust. You can complete this process with fresh dough, frozen dough, if it's slacked out in the refrigerator overnight. Let's walk through the control panel and show you how we can program the combi oven for best results. First, we'll need to turn the unit on. Press the switch to the on position. The screen will then turn on, and now we are in the operations mode. The screen is user-friendly and gives easy access to Combi Smart Touch icons. Select the manual cooking mode on the top left-hand corner of our display. Next, we'll want to set our preheat temperature. We'll select our preheat. From here, we'll select Custom, and now we'll select our temperature. Our temperature will set at exactly 105 degrees. We'll hit check mark when we're done, and now we'll hit the arrow to go to our manual menu. From our manual menu, now we'll begin to set our presets on the baking process. Our next stage will be the proof stage. Select the time cooking icon. Select the fan speed and enter your desired fan speed of 30%. Press your check mark, takes you back to the manual cooking. Now we're going to select our time icon on the right side of the screen, and we're going to set it for 30 minutes. Check mark, go back to the main menu. Now we need to select our temperature to begin our proofing process. We're going to select temperature, and we're going to put in 105 degrees. Now we're going to set our proofing humidity to 100%. Check mark to go back to our manual settings. Now press the time cooking icon with the plus sign to program our next stage to begin the baking process. A slight addition to humidity will be added to give the bread its browning and crust. First, we'll select our time plus, gives us our next stage. Now we need to set our fan speed. We'll select our fan. It's going to be 80%, plus or minus. Check mark to go back to our manual settings. And now we want to set our humidity to 20%. We'll select our humidity, add 20%, our check mark to go back to our manual settings. And now we'll set our time icon. Our time for baking is going to be 20 minutes. Our check mark to go back to our manual settings. And now we want to set our desired temperature for baking. We're going to set it to 350 degrees. Our check mark to go back. And now we're ready to start the baking process. From here, we'll select our start button. The unit will show us our preheat settings. Once we hit our start button again, the unit will preheat to 105 so that we can begin our proofing process. Once the display shows ready to load, we'll slowly open the door, let the steam out slightly, and then completely open the door and add our product to the oven. So our unit's ready. So we'll let our humidity out, put our bread into the unit. The combi will proof the bread and then begin the baking process. Once cooking complete shows on the screen, the unit's done baking. Be aware when removing the bread from the unit. Slowly open the door, let the steam out slightly, and then open the door fully. Here you see our bread is complete, brown, proofed, baked all through. Now we'll save the recipe for later use. Here, we'll go to our screen, we'll select the down arrow, and then we'll select the file folder with the down arrow. And now we're in our programming mode. From here, we'll touch on the name and delete out the previous name that was programmed. And we'll type in proof bread. And then I'm going to add bake. So it's a one process. And we're going to hit OK. And then from here, we're going to hit the star to put it on our favorites list. And then we're going to scroll through our pictures to find a loaf of bread. And then we're going to hit our down arrow with our file folder. And now it's saved in the unit for future use. Thank you for watching this training video. Visit atosausa.com for more resources.